In today's video, we're going to use Pythagorean's theorem to determine if given triangles are right triangles. Now, you can have triangles that don't have a 90-degree angle, but we want to be able to prove that these triangles are right triangles by plugging into the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, remember, a and b are my legs, and c is the hypotenuse. That's the relationship all right triangles are going to have. So the hypotenuse, again, is across from the right angle, or it's also the longest side. So in this case, my hypotenuse is 15. So my legs, which are 9 and 12, I'm going to do 9 squared plus 12 squared. And I'm going to see if that equals the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. So it's going to equal 15 squared. 9 squared is 81. 12 squared is 144. 15 squared is 225. Does 81 plus 144 equal 225? Let's check. 81 plus 144 equals 225. So this is a right triangle. Let's try the other one. Again, the two smallest sides are 3.5 and 4.2. So 3.5 squared plus 4.2 squared. We're going to see if that equals 4.5 squared. 3.5 squared is 12.25. 4.2 squared, 17.64. Does that equal 4.5 squared? 20.25. I don't know. All right, so let's add them. 12.25 plus 17.64. And it doesn't equal 20.25. So this is not a right triangle. This triangle right here, not a right triangle. It can be a triangle, but just not a right one. Doesn't have a 90-degree angle in it. Okay, let's look at other examples. Right here, okay, 9, 9, and 5 radical 7. All right, 9 squared plus 9 squared. We want to see if that's 5 radical 7 squared. Now, you got to be careful. Ooh, 7, not 2. No, 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 no. Okay, fix that to a 7. All right, now you got to be careful when you're squaring with radicals or square roots, because the square goes to the 5 as well as the 7. So the square root of, okay, so 5 squared, and then it's the square root of 7 squared. Now we know 5 squared is 25, but the square root of 7 squared is just 7. So the square root of a square, remember, cancels out. So you just write the radicand, which is 7. All right. Now 9 times 9, or 9 squared. Yep, 9 times 9 is 81 plus 81. So we want to see if 81 plus 81 equals 25 times 7. What's 25 times 7? 175. So we want to see if 81 plus 81 equals 175. I don't think it does. 81 plus 81 is 162. So in this case, this is not a right triangle. So again, be careful when you're dealing with the radicand. And again, like this one over here, radical 73 squared is just 73. The only number that gets squared is the number that's outside the radical. All right. So work through these problems, see if they're a right triangle or not. If they fit in the Pythagorean theorem, yes, it's a right triangle. If not, no, it's not. If you have questions in class, please let me know. Thank you for watching today's video.